Bolaunter class, counter and timer. How to use a timer. There is a timer in Editor SH. We can modify the name of the new timer. Click New. We can fill in the current and target values of the new timer in the right box. Tick Pure to have the effect of pure timing. Click New to create multiple timers. The left side of the timer, we can select Start and Restart. Reset Start refers to resetting the current value of the timer. Before restarting, Auto Clear refers to whether the current data of the timer needs to be automatically reset after the program is completed. The functions here can be selected from Single Point Output, Whole Board Output, EU Output, Endpoint Output, Mboard Output, and Check Input. Single Point Output means outputting a point. The Whole Board Output is to output the signals of the entire I/O board. The EU Output is a European standard injection molding output, similar to the UE signal. The Endpoint Output is the intermediate variable output, and the Mboard Output is the intermediate variable board output. The Check Input is the input signal X. The output point can select the output signal. The states can be selected as output, OFF, or output on. Clear Timer is to insert a program to reset the counter. Tick Clear Timer and insert. When the program reaches this line, it will reset the timer. After ticking the Clear Timer, these functions will be disabled and have no effect. The Pause Timer, just like the Clear Timer, when ticked, the functions will be disabled. After ticking a timer, tick Pause Timer and insert. When the program reaches this line, it will pause this counter. Let's insert a timer program and take a look. Here we use Single Point Output, I/O board. Change the target value to 5 seconds. Insert. Here we can see the Reset Start timer with a target value of 5 and a current value of 0. After the time is up, it will output the Y1 to OFF on the I/O board. Now let's write a practical program to understand the function of a timer more clearly. This program operation only for learning. Here we will first insert a simple delay of 2 seconds, and then output a Y01 to red light on. Insert a simple delay of 5 seconds, then insert a timer that after runs until 3 seconds, and outputs the Y1 to red light program. Finally, insert a simple delay. Let's turn to auto mode to see the effect of the program. First, after a delay of 2 seconds, there will output a red light on. After a delay of 5 seconds, the timer will time for 3 seconds and then output a red light OFF. Above is the Bolaunter class, introduction and use of timer. Any questions about the content? Welcome to ask questions in the comments. Follow me for more technical information.